There's a lot of conversation about immigration, both nationally and locally right now. Sometimes the terminology is used interchangeably when actually those words mean different things.
Yeah, and we threw out a couple of those terms in just this past story that we were talking about. So Kara Jeffers is live in studio this morning to tackle the definition of some of these terms that are getting thrown around the most these days. Good morning, Kara.
Good morning, Mark and Tracy. Yes, we're starting with just this word refugee. You might have heard of Syrian refugees, is pretty common for the recent years. It's just a status granted to an individual before they arrive in the United States. Usually it's given by the UN. That's because they're fleeing their country because of persecution. There's usually kind of 5 reasons for that persecution. Maybe it's because of their race, religion, nationality, if they're part of a specific social group, or if they have a specific political opinion. Again, so if you have Syria, they went to Turkey, and then in Turkey they probably went to the UN there, and then that's where they got their refugee status before coming to the US or other countries. This is a status you are eligible to apply for a green card. Seeking asylum, that's what we're hearing really common right now at the border. An asylee is a person who leaves their country, they're seeking that protection in another country. Kind of those same legal standards apply for if they can get that legal protection. This is a status filed inside the United States. So you come here to get that status, and you can also apply for a green card with this. Lastly, migrant. This is kind of a big umbrella term. It's just a person who leaves their country of origin to seek temporary or permanent residence in another country. At the border, a lot of people are coming for asylum, but they don't legally qualify. They come because maybe their country has gang violence, political unrest, high unemployment, natural disasters, but those don't always meet that legal standard for asylum. I talked with an Erie immigration lawyer about some of these challenges that people encounter with our current immigration system. If this was confusing, imagine being someone coming to the United States new and they've never heard of these terms before.
So I would say the problem is twofold. The immigration system has not had comprehensive immigration reform since 1996. Are there ways we could make things go quicker and easier for people to come to the U.S. legally? Also, there's a shortage of staff. There's not enough people to look at all of the issues and to process all of the different kinds of applications at the same time.
So understanding immigration, if you're coming here, even if you're already here, there's a lot to it that has been built up over the years. Mark, Tracy, back to you.